What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another installation of Tacoma Tactical. Today we're going to be going over a quick, fun little, I guess, mod or home update you can do to your third gen Tacoma, and I think 4Runners as well. It's really pretty simple. You're going to need one USB flash drive. Doesn't have to be large. And then you're just going to have your keys and start your truck up. So let's get to it. So to start off, you will all notice you have this USB flash drive insert or USB insert down here. With that being said, you're going to be plugging this USB, the one you save your files to, on that. So you're going to want to create, or you're going to have to create two image folders, or two folders to save your images on. These two folders are going to be StartupImage and DisplayOffImage. Make these two folders independent of each other. You're going to want to save them on this flash drive. Spelling and capitalization is important here. StartupImage is going to be StartupImage, capital S, up lowercase image, up uppercase I or capital I, all one word. StartupImage, all one word, capital S, capital I. DisplayOffImage, again, all one word, capital D, capital O, capital I. Once you have those two folders made, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to find a picture or a logo, a picture of a vehicle, a TRD logo, whatever you like, and you're going to save those images, one to your startup and one to your DisplayOffImage, as a JPEG, .jpeg. Once you have saved your images to both folders, again, either or, if you want a different startup image from a different display off-screen image, if vice versa. If you want multiple images, because you can actually cycle through, you can have your display screen cycle through different images while you're driving. Go ahead and save as many images as you want, all as JPEGs, put them on this flash drive, and then, so you're going to take your USB flash drive and you're going to plug it into the USB port. After you've plugged that into the USB port, you're going to go ahead and go to the settings here, General, scroll down until you see Customize Startup Image and Customize Screen Off Image. Go ahead and select Customize Startup Image. Now I've already uploaded my image to this. Again, it's saved as a JPEG. You're going to hit transfer. Once you hit transfer, see, images will be copied from USB flash drive. Are you sure you want to overwrite the current images? Which I'm not going to, so normally you would press yes. I'm going to press no in this case. That'll upload your image. After you've done that, go ahead and select your image, press OK. That'll be your custom startup image. And you're going to do the same for custom screen off image. So go ahead, transfer. Same thing's going to prompt. You're going to hit yes for your new image. I'm going to hit no because I already have it loaded. You're going to select your image, hit OK, and there you go. And just like that, you now have your custom home screen. So thank you guys for joining us. If you liked what you saw, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, because I'll be bringing more content to you by the end of this week, hopefully. And thanks for stopping by.